Skin retains its youthfulness and good quality as long as it is hydrated, and deterioration occurs when it is less hydrated. Substances used in skincare for hydration, such as moisturizers and creams, do not penetrate the skin. Hence, they only provide temporary hydration by forming a layer on the skin. A skin hydrator or moisturizer should not merely prevent loss of water, but also draw it from deeper layers of the skin. Hyaluronic acid is a substance which draws water from the deeper epidermis and dermis, allowing the skin to feel smoother. The hydration of skin critically depends on the water bound to hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is an integral part of the natural constitution of the skin and has an enhanced ability to absorb and retain water. The hyaluronic acid gel deposits can act like small reservoirs which absorb and retain water to restore the hydration and elasticity of the skin. Studies have revealed an improved skin quality after a single treatment and improved skin hydration for up to 9 months.